I love about doing the Flying Start sessions is just getting the children engaged. It's all hands-on, which they absolutely love. Seeing their smiles when they've made a lovely product, like today, a really nice tasty pizza.
It's been fabulous to see families come into childcare settings, spend some time with their children, having some fun, learning some simple recipes that are healthy, and they're able to then repeat them at home.
It was beautiful to see them laughing and joking together as parents, and then the children seemed to be less stressed and very safe and secure in their own environment.
Now you can see that they do up here. You sort of think, oh yeah, take it home now and we can make pizzas and different things.
This experience has given me an insight of how to actually make pizza myself. I mean, I came in here absolutely clueless.
The child tries pepper today for the first time. Hopefully they'll sort of introduce that into the diet at home, move on from maybe trying a pepper to other vegetables, to other foods, moving away from processed foods. Sessions are great because it's just giving people the confidence to get chatting to other people that hopefully will have a long-term impact on their health and their well-being.
With cooking activities like this, they are given the free resources to take home. They don't need to look for that money to go and buy these knives and the different stuff to do these activities. The children's development then, it starts to strengthen because the parents involve themselves in their play, and that is the most important thing a parent can do for a child.
I've gained just letting my child be independent, watch her, take a step back, don't always just get involved the minute she's doing something different, and let her make a bit of a mess. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect.
I've loved working on this project. It's been so wonderful to see how the parents are engaged, staff are engaged, the children are engaged, and everyone's had so much fun as well as learning new skills.